Today's video is sponsored by Clevpix. If you are a football fan and you like to analyze football games, whether it's for fun or betting purposes, Clevpix can help you with it like it does for millions of users around the world. Now listen to me. Clevpix is not an online betting site. It's a professional platform that provides expert football betting solutions every day. With it you can enjoy football games and make money just by following their professional experts who have gone through a lot of tempering and spend a lot of time researching to ensure that their hit rate can be stable at 80% in the long run, and even reach over 90% in the short run. You can follow and pay attention to the expert performance of Clevpix, and you can choose your trusted experts that can provide you with professional solutions, just so you can make profits and win money each match. So if you want to join in football betting, but have no idea about betting skills, the best choice is to seek advice from professionals and experts, and Clevpix is where you can find the best. Check their link in the description for more details.
So let's go crazy, like Prince in the 1980s. Don't play me, I'm not Brady, too blown, you can't deflate me. Yes, ballin' is my calling, can't box me out, I'm allin'. We built from, yes, y'allin', top of the charts and never fallin'. It's time, beast mode, put it on the line, free throws. It's Friday, I'm Debo, take it back like repo. Got on my headphones, eyes closed in my zone. I've been down this road every time I drove it home. Then set back up again like it's 1st and 10. Only aim to win, let the games begin. I was born for this, from day one I wanted it. We come too far to quit, ain't no stopping it. I was born for this, from day one I wanted it. We come too far to quit, ain't no stopping it. Ain't no stopping it, ain't no stopping it, ain't no stopping it. Let the games begin.
goodbye. Touch me once and I'll make you mine. Silence breaking, but you will break me. Oh, hit me with your thunder. No, I won't take cover. Come at me with your best shot. Oh, you know I won't stop, no, till I'm 6 feet under. Breathe, breathe, don't close your eyes. Try me, it won't change my mind. I'll take you down, cause it brings me to life. Silence breaking, but you will break me. Oh, hit me with your thunder. No, I won't take cover. Come at me with your best shot. Oh, you know I won't stop, no, till I'm 6 feet under. Oh, hit me with your thunder. No, I won't take cover. Come at me with your best shot. Oh, you know I won't stop, no, till I'm 6 feet under. Till I'm 6 feet under. Till I'm six. Oh, hit me with your thunder. Oh, you know I won't stop, till I'm 6 feet under. Oh, hit me with your thunder. No, I won't take cover. Come at me with your best shot. Oh, you know I won't stop, no, till I'm 6 feet under. Oh, hit me with your thunder. No, I won't take cover. Come at me with your best shot. Oh, you know I won't stop, no, till I'm 6 feet under.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. close to the sun, close to the sun. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from